Thank you very much. So because of time, we are not going to read any prepared statement. Rather, we are going to submit our prepared statement at an appointed time. Permit me to quickly introduce a few of our officers who have accompanied us on this journey. The Vice Standard Bearer, Anthony Julinas, EPSing, will be on the lead. Our party chairman, Anthony Ina, the Secretary General of this party, the Senate Nimne, is also somewhere in the back. Ambassador Joseph Boakia, the incoming president, the Reverend Dr. Luther Tape, chairman of the Rescue Mission, and all other standard bearers at this occasion. Permit me to stand on the existing protocol and deliver our short message. Today is a great day in the existence of the Liberia Rebuilder Party, the Rebuilders. And today is a great day because we are about to initiate a patriotic duty on behalf of our country and the people of this noble country. Because it is without agreement or disputation that the Liberian people have spoken with a prodigious and stupendous voice that a political wave of transition has blown in the Republic of Liberia that will see the ascendancy of His Excellency Ambassador Joseph Boakia, ascending the balcony of the leadership of this noble country to divest those unprepared people and rescue us from backwardness and economic degradation. The Liberian people have spoken with an unequivocal voice that the United Party is the best suited party to rescue this nation from backwardness and political degradation. Therefore, the Liberia Rebuilder Party has come unconditionally and without any stupor to pledge our unflinching and unconditional support to the Unity Party and to the rescue team, because today we find ourselves at the bank of the Red Sea, where the Liberian people are crying for deliverance. But praise be to God that He has sent another Moses in the person of His Excellency Ambassador Joseph Boakia to rescue this country, and because of that, we have no other alternative but to join the rescue train to ensure that the Republic of Liberia is put on the proper trajectory for political advancement and the movement of our people. So without much ado, we say, Ambassador, we endorse your political ambition and that of the Unity Party, and we will stand by you side by side and go into the trenches and into the nook and crannies of this country to ensure that the rescue team prevail at the end of the day, because when the rescue team prevails, we all prevail. Thank you very much. Thank you. You know, while the Liberia Restoration Party was doing its endorsement, we witnessed the arrival of the standard bearer of the Liberia First Movement, the Honorable Sheikh Mustafa Kuyate.
So next statement of endorsement will be done by the head of EC of the Greater Action Party, Honorable Thomas O. Walker, Greater Action Party.
His Excellency Ambassador Joseph Boakia, standard bearer and political leader of the Unity Party, Senator Jeremiah Kwan in his absence, Vice Standard Bearer, the Chairman of the Unity Party, a member of the Executive Committee of the Unity Party, and all present to grace this occasion, the Fourth Estates, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed my pleasure and opportunity to be here along with my colleagues of the Greater Action Party of Liberia, GAP. On this day, the 6th or the 8th day of November 80, 2023, to endorse the manifestos of the Unity Party of Liberia and its leadership in regards to the November 4th, 2023 presidential runoff. Your Excellencies, Ambassador Joseph Boakia, President in waiting, Senator Jeremiah Kwan, Vice President in waiting, the Chairman and official of the Unity Party and other emerged political parties and manifold Liberians here present. The Greater Action Party of Liberia is a political organization and established under the governing laws of the Republic of Liberia with established leadership within 15 political subdivisions, coupled with cells and auxiliaries. Honorable Ambassador, ladies and gentlemen, we are cognizant of the aim and objectives of the Unity Party and for which it stands. The developmental initiatives of Liberia and its inhabitants, the people to be specific, is a serious concern for everyone who witnessed our deadly, unfriendly dark days that kept us behind time. Today, we have our country polluted with disadvantaged youth and young adults at the detriment of wicked people who enrich themselves by way of infusing substances in our country. Look at a country that is older than the Republic of Liberia. That Liberia is older than 100 years. No better health facilities and medicine, lack of job opportunities, poor living conditions, people living with traumatic stresses, poor education system, poor water, sanitations, and electricity systems, and hatred without reconciliation, among other things. We, the Greater Action Party of Liberia, have come to join hands with the Unity Party and all other political parties who endorsed earlier in order to rescue Mama Liberia. Honorable Ambassador, we are witnesses to your integrity and lifestyle and the vibrant determinations and commitment you have to shape our beloved native land. When you serve as Vice President of President Ellen Johnson Sirleaf, there were tremendous contributions and efforts of you that have the Sirleaf government successful. And we believe you can do more than that if we elect you as the next President of Liberia. We have no doubt about your performances and tolerance in dealing with national issues and allegations. A leader with mindset will listen to people's views, whether negative or positive, and act accordingly. And that is who you are, Mr. Ambassador. We know under the Boakia and Kwan government, Liberia will be a better place to live. A country that will attract tourists, international partners, and investors across the world. As such, we, the National Executive Committee of the Greater Action Party of Liberia, is here to endorse your presidential bid. Hence, not only to endorse you people, but to amalgamate forces for vehement approach towards the process. With that, we all can rescue Mama Liberia. Finally, today as we submit this resolution, you can rest assured of our commitment in the process. Whether rain or shine, vehemently, the Greater Action Party of Liberia is going to stand by you in this process, and together we all will be a formidable force for a victory in the November 2023 presidential runoff. His Excellency, the Chairman and officials of the Unity Party, UP, all other political parties present, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, your acceptance will never be left in oblivion, but will form a proportional of the chronicles of the Greater Action Party of Liberia. God bless you, God bless our native land, and God bless Liberia. Thank you.